Welcome to the 10-Minute Mind Shift Podcast. I'm your host, Janet Cagle, certified life coach, weight loss coach, and lover of all things related to upleveling my life and yours. My goal is to help you get one step closer to your goal, whatever it is. My goal is not to keep you wrapped up in self-help all day, just 10 minutes. And who doesn't have 10 minutes, right? Hey there. Welcome back, my friends. This is episode number 75 and for awesome life hacks. I use the word awesome a lot. A lot of us do, and we do it as a habit response, but today I want to talk about life hacks that can create real awesomeness for you. By definition, awesome is described as causing or inducing awe, inspiring an overwhelming feeling of reverence, admiration, or fear, an awesome sight. In the 16th century, awesome would describe a personal sense of being filled. I love the description of awesome that I read the other day, and that is an explosion of awareness. We all throw around the word awesome a lot these days, but I want to encourage you, after listening to this episode, to intentionally seek out true awesomeness. And here is why. We need more goosebumps. True awe is more than just a positive and happy emotion. True awe is a brain orgasm. It's an emotional reboot. Awe activates the regions of our brains associated with bonding, feeling connection, and warmth. Awe has an amazing way of making us feel small without feeling diminished. We are tiny, but part of a greater whole that makes up the universe. Awe makes people feel more generous and thoughtful and abundant. We need to experience breathtaking wonders versus day-to-day wither. So this week, I want you to focus on how to experience more awe. So buckle up, my friends. Here we go. Number 1, go on an awe walk. Not a headphones on, checking my IG account walk, a real awe walk. Seek out experiences along the walk with as many senses as possible. What do you hear? Right now, we are deaf by the cicadas, but I love that so much. I mean, think about the awesomeness of that little bug making so much noise. What do you smell? What do you see? What does the sun feel like? Or what do the cloud formations look like? This does not have to be a nature walk. You can do this in the city. Listen for the awesome sounds of life moving all around you. Take in the notion that the skyscraper was once someone else's idea. Number 2, change your awe lens. It's not always about what you look at, but how you look at it. Awesome exists in the smallest object or activity. It exists in the last second. Your body just produced 3.8 million new cells. That, my friend, is awesome. Think about that. Number 3, seek out human awesomeness. Read a biography, go to a museum. Heck, read the bio of just about any Olympic athlete. Human awesomeness. Number 4, all right, gratitude makes the list, but really think about it. I know right now there's a lot of crap going on with Afghanistan and COVID, and we are expecting natural disasters all around us, and yet, when you look, there are so many things to be grateful for, and finding those things and seeing the awe in them is a life hack for you. I am grateful for and in awe of first responders and the military and all of the medical professionals who answer the call to be on the front lines of all of this. I am grateful for their bravery, and I am in awe of them. I am grateful for those who feel called to serve in public administration, even if I don't agree with them or support their ideas. I am grateful for a country in which I get to vote for elected officials, and I get to vote for businesses by voting with my feet. Gratitude is for sure a life hack to awesome. Einstein said there are only 2 ways to live life. One, as though nothing is a miracle, and the other, as if everything is a miracle. Here's the thing, miracles are awesome. And they are all around us. Our universe, our source, our God, whatever your belief is, gave us plenty, provides faithfully, and delivers a new awesome experience, opportunity, idea, gift every single moment of every single day. Awesome. The goosebump kind is all around us every day, and when we seek out the experience, guess what we will find? You guessed it, awesomeness. This is what I have for you, and now go have the best week ever. That's a wrap. I hope that you were able to experience a mind shift of your own today. Listen, if you love this podcast, you should totally check out my Life by Design 6-week boot camp. It's a work at your own pace workshop and something that you can do over and over and over again to uplevel your results. If a one-on-one coaching program is more your jam, I am all in. Just shoot me an email and get ready for a transformation at the speed of life.